Everyone, in today's video we will fix a LG UltraGear monitor flickering, VRR settings, hertz, cable and a driver fix. So fix 1, you can check the cable connection. Turn off the monitor and your PC. Then you can remove the HDMI or DisplayPort cable. After that, plug it back in firmly on the both end and turn everything back on and check the screen. The fix 2, you can change the refresh rate. Right click on your desktop, then click display settings. After that, go to advanced display settings and then select your LG UltraGear monitor and set the refresh rate to the recommended positions like 144Hz or 165Hz. After that, you can move to our fix 3. You can turn off adaptive sync or G-Sync. Press the monitor joystick button to your open setting. Then go to the game adjustment. Now find adaptive sync or freezing. Then turn it off and check if flickering stop. Now we move to our last fix, update graphics driver. Right click or start and open the device manager. Right click to start and open the device manager. Then expand the display adapters and right click on your graphics card and click update the driver. Goodbye.